Playing some singing monsters.
Why does it sound so bad?
Mario, it's so dark. Get a light.
Like, spin the wheel.
Alright, if I don't get something good, I'm gonna bang this tablet.
Where'd you get this tablet from?
Stole it from someone?
Like, what's this block on your bed?
What block?
Hmm?
What block?
Well, it's not there now!
Idiot! Mario, we only have 7 minutes and 21 seconds of this video.
So
if you don't say your line in the next few minutes, it's not going to be enough time to make it. Get a light, it's dark over here. You can't even see the freaking camera. Well, us, I should say. No more of those dumb lines. Okay, it's better. What the hell is that? Did you puke on the floor?
Yeah.
Why? A little left over there too. Say a line!
What line?
Oh my god. Let's say, oh, what's a Rubik's Cube?
So, like, I saw this video, and it was like this square that had colors over it. What is it supposed to be?
Square with colors, that's a Rubik's Cube.
What? Do you have one?
Yeah.
Can I play with it?
First, let me go get it. And wait, first I'm gonna go get it. Alright, I'll come. You have to come with me. Just, you know. You're just going down the stairs. Alright. Come on, Mario, you have to follow me. We're gonna go this way. Okay? Over there. Here's this really big abandoned room.
The whole place is abandoned.
Yeah, I know. I haven't done this in like 35 years. No, why am I saying 30? I'm like 16, so like since 3 last time I had it, and it's already been solved. Oh, this place is bad. Okay, getting closer. Oh, some Christmas bin. Whoa. Okay. All right, Mario. Here it is. What?
Like, stairs are right here. We could have just walked down and grabbed it and went up.
Hey, Mario.
What?
Oh, just let me lay down for a second. Okay,
Where'd it
Mario,
go?
Let's go the same route again. All right, Mario, come on. The place is abandoned. Oh, what's that thing?
What thing?
Oh, get the hell! Get the hell! The thing's alive! The thing's alive! Get the fuck out of here! It's coming! It's not even scaring me. You think that was gonna scare me? Oh, it's right here. Let's go up. Let's get out of here.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Alright, Mario, I got my Rubik's Cube. I had this since I was 3. Mario, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
What?
You ruined it!
What do you mean? I can solve it. Just easy. Here, I'm just gonna lay down on my bed and solve it.
You're grabbing your bed. Mario, can you please clean up your throw up?
No.
There's no rug on the floor now.
Oh, because I threw the rug away. Let's solve this.
I just realized what happened to a rug. Why'd you throw a rug away?
Rubik's brand is the worst company in the world.
What do you mean by the worst company? What do you mean by the... You're breaking my Rubik's Cube! What are you doing?
I'm trying to solve it.
Mario! You're breaking it! No!
I'm trying to solve
Mario! No!
it. Look, it's solved now. See? All the colors match. It's solved.
Creepy. No! You broke my Rubik's Cube!
No, it's not broken. I can fix it.
It's gone!
I can fix it, Link!
It's gone!
I can fix it!
Haha! Link is crying! Shut up, Bowser! You is my Rubik's Cube! Got you, Bowser! Oh no! Oh no! He's crying! Sorry, Mario! I'm gonna cut your lights, Bowser. Fine, fine. I just need to get up. I have to throw up! No!
Sorry, Mark cannot work right now. Please try again later. Can you put me back together?
I don't know how!
Put me back together, please!
Fine, I'll put you back together.
I had memories of you when I was so young, and you saw me and I was so happy, and you threw me in the rotten, abandoned place.
I put you on top of the freezer on a bin.
But then I just smell the mold.
You've been, you know what? I don't even know what the hell's going on. Mario, you working now?
Sorry, Mario's not working right now. Sorry, he still does not work. Mario's been rebooting. EVO VR.
Mario, don't say that!
What?
Don't ever say that! That's a... I'm not gonna say it.
What?
What? Fix my Rubik's Cube. I just need a what?
What'd you do that for?
You just throw it to my way! I'm just gonna go to bed.